All right, so for our ELA for this week, we are going to learn about the letter U. U is a vowel. That's important. We have to remember that because we're going to find U in a lot of words when we start spelling. So remember that the letter U is a vowel, okay? And it comes right after T. And what we're going to do, and what we usually did in the classroom, which the kids loved, is we would go around the room and we would try to find a U anywhere. We'd try to find a U in someone's name. We would try to find the U on the passes, the bathroom passes. We try to find the U by the calendar. We would find it. We have letters all over the class. So that's one thing that we did. So we'll try to do the same thing here. Well, what I can do is I can take some of these words, and you might have seen in the classroom, we had that ABC chart, and anytime we learned a word, we would put letters that sounded with it. Anytime we had the letter, we would put words underneath it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some words. So if you want to show this to your kids, you can show that to them, and then they'll tell you if they see a U in it or not. Some of these will have U's, and some of them won't. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Umbrella. Umbrella. I wonder if that has a U in it. If you know where it is, please try to find it. Rhinoceros. Look to see if that has a U. Unicorn. Does that have a U in it? Unicycle. Up. Goggles. Rug. And the last one we'll show you, unhappy. Okay? So if you're going through those words, you want to see if you can find a U. It's also important to note whether the U is the initial sound, if it starts off the word, or if it's in the middle of the word. Okay? So now that we've seen the letter U, okay, and you've probably seen the videos on it, what we're going to try to do, since we have unhappy right here, we have a lowercase u to start that off right over there. So today's assignment is we're going to have to write a letter U for the assignment. So I'll give you some models on how to do that. And then you also have the Reading A to Z link there that's 10 minutes. There is a book in there that just talks about the letter U. So their homework, or when they go on for those 10 minutes, it'll review the letter U with them. Okay? So let me show you how to write the letter U. The uppercase one is fun. When we were in the classroom, we would try to do 4 of every letter. So they might be used to that. So if they're making the letter U, I know the assignment is only to write one U, but they usually like to write 4 of each. So if they want to do that, that's great. The more practice they get, the better. And if you don't have line papers, I try to make my lines over here. Just do the best you can with it and see what they can do. So you have the uppercase U, which is very simple. And all the way back up. That's hard to see with the red there because the top is red and the bottom is red. So let me try to make sure that's a little bit before. There we go. Okay. So there's our uppercase U. And then we're going to try the lowercase. Now this is important too. Sometimes in kindergarten they have a little bit of trouble knowing where that dotted line is and making the letters according to it. So a lot of their U's might look like uppercase U's. So when you're doing the lowercase U, make sure you come from here and up, and then you can curl right over here. Let me try to do one more. This one's, it's a similar, it's almost the same here as the uppercase, but then when you come back down here, just let that out a little bit. Okay, and that's your letter U. So that's all we have to do for today. During the week, we're going to just keep having reminders of the letter U that you can work on. We'll try to look for them in words. If you have magazines or books at home that they want to work with, that's fine as well. All right, keep practicing. And if you have any questions, you can message me on the Dojo app, and I will message you right back. Thank you.